What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will not be unboxing any tech or reviewing it. However, in today's video, we will review how much does my 1000 subscriber tech channel made in the first month after being monetized. We'll talk about the requirements of monetization, how long it takes to get monetized, Google Adsense, and what to do to make sure YouTube pays you as soon as you get monetized. So let's start off with YouTube requirements for monetization. You need to follow all the YouTube partner policies, live in a country or region where the YouTube partner program is available, have more than 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months, have more than 1,000 subscribers, have a linked Adsense account, and if you'd like to learn more in detail about these requirements, I will leave the link in the description below to make sure you can check them out in depth. So what is Google Adsense, you might ask? Adsense is a free, simple way to earn money by displaying ads next to your online content. The Adsense program differs in that it delivers ads served by Google Ads to your site. Google then pays you for the ads displayed on your site based on user clicks on ads or on ad impressions, depending on the type of ad. And here's what you should know and do in order to make sure you get paid as soon as you get monetized. Just like you would smash that like button as soon as you started watching this video. Once you made and log into your Google Adsense account, you want to make sure that you set up your bank account information prior to you getting monetized. Because if your bank account is not ready, it's most likely to cause delays for you guys to get paid all the way to the next month after you got monetized. So in order to make sure all of that is done, you need to go to google.com/AdSense. In order to check whether or not you have set up your bank account, you need to go into your payments tab and go to how you get paid section. That's where you'll check your payment method or be able to set it up. Once you get monetized on YouTube, you want to make sure that you have set up your account to host ads. So in order to check that, go to account settings and account information and check products and make sure you have YouTube host in there. If YouTube host appears there, that means you are actively hosting ads on your account. There is, however, a $100 threshold on Google's Adsense account. So keep in mind that if your first month after getting monetized, you do not earn $100, you will not get paid until the following month or until you reach $100 threshold. After you get monetized and set up your Google Adsense account, Google Adsense will also send you your PIN to make sure you are a real person. The way they send this PIN is through mail, and they say that once you have finalized all the steps above, you should receive it within 2 to 4 weeks, and you'll have 4 months to verify that PIN in case it takes longer than 2 to 4 weeks to get it. Now, after you confirm your PIN, remember that the way AdSense pay you is somewhat confusing, and often the revenue you see in your YouTube, which we will talk about shortly, might not be reflected immediately. So the payout time for Google Adsense is month to month. To be more precise, the period which Google takes into account is from the beginning of the month until the last day of the month. But usually within the first month, your payment might be delayed because Google is working on its ad fee processing and it takes them longer than expected. So here's a Google Adsense calendar that I want to share with you guys just so you can understand how Google Adsense does their processing and why does it take the Google Adsense longer than expected to pay your YouTube earnings. So if you check your Google Adsense account, it keeps showing 0. Here's why. And don't be worried, Google just hasn't processed your revenue yet. As you can see here on the calendar, every third of the month, your earnings are finalized and posted to your Adsense account. On the 20th of every month, any change that you might have in regards to your payment info, removing any payment holds must be completed, and also this is the date by which you must reach the $100 threshold payment in order to be paid that month. Otherwise, your payment will roll over to the next month. Between 21st and 26th of every month is when your payment is in progress, which indicates that your earnings have been processed and are being issued to your bank. And 7 business days later, your payment should be issued, or approximately on the 30th of every month. You should receive your payment. Just like this video would receive a like from you guys after you watched it. When it comes to YouTube itself, In order to avoid missing getting paid for your videos, I suggest that you go into settings, upload defaults, click on monetization, and make sure that all types of ads are selected prior to you getting monetized. To make sure that moment you get monetized, you are not missing out on any money that your videos can make, even if it's not a lot. And the cool thing is that you can get this done even prior to being monetized, just like you can hit that subscribe button prior to finishing this video. I got monetized on October 1st, 2020. On YouTube, you get paid monthly, so even though I was excited about getting monetized, I wouldn't get a penny for another month after a full year of hard work because I did not know all these things, guys, and ended up missing out on like 5 days of my videos being monetized, which you can see in my revenue graph. Here's the 1st of the month, here's the 4th of the month, and only on the 5th I finally got some money. So let's take a look at how YouTube revenue works so you guys would understand it and have a clear picture before we dive into the numbers. The most important thing that matters when it comes to start making money on YouTube is how many monetized views you get. Then the views will help YouTube determine the amount they should charge advertisers for placing ads on your channel, and that is called CPM. What is CPM, you might ask? CPM is basically how much YouTube charges advertisers per 1,000 monetized views, which is the amount before YouTube takes its cut, which then brings us to RPM, which is how much YouTube channel makes per 1,000 views, or the amount after YouTube takes its cut. CPM and RPM hugely depend on the niche of your channel and of course the type of videos you will make within that niche. So let's say if one video is more appealing to a certain age group of viewers and another is more appealing to more than one age groups, some advertisers might be willing to pay more on that video rather than the one that's only appealing to a certain age group. So if you like to determine how much you would get paid for one type of video or another, it is very tough and is almost impossible before you upload your video. So what about subscribers, you might ask? Well, the number of subscribers matters, but also doesn't really matter. And you may say, how so? I thought it was all about subscribers. So here is how, guys. Any video has a potential to take off and gain views based on its proper SEO or search engine optimization, in which case the number of subscribers wouldn't matter. However, of course, the number of subscribers makes it easier for a YouTube creator to have their video rank on the top of the search page, because the more subscribers they have, the more likely their video is going to come up on a suggested page for their subscribers. Therefore, the YouTube creator would have a potential to convert that subscriber into monetized views, when the smaller channels obviously will have a harder time getting those views. So if you are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, or this video has been helpful to you, please do not forget to smash that subscribe and bell button to be notified for future helpful videos. So here's the moment, guys. Let's take a look at how much money I made in October, which is the first month after I got monetized. In order to take a look at your CPM, you need to go to your channel, manage videos, analytics, click on revenue, and then I'm gonna select the month of October. And here you will be able to see your playback CPM, RPM, and estimated monthly revenue. As you can see, guys, in the month of October, I made a whooping $157.81. And that's before taxes. Because remember, guys, being a YouTube creator means you are considered an independent contractor, which means you are your own boss, which is great, but it comes with a whole lot of other responsibilities, which include calculating your taxes after each paycheck and putting that money aside to make sure you can pay taxes, besides many other responsibilities like making videos, without which you will not be able to make any revenue on YouTube at all, which is a lot of work and sometimes takes weeks to make sure that this video would be helpful to others. So if you think about starting a channel because you think you're gonna be a millionaire right away, I suggest that you think twice. And if you ask me, why do I keep doing it? Because to me, what matters the most is that I am able to reach and help people that if it wasn't for YouTube, I probably would never even meet in real life. even if it's just a simple fix on their tag or help someone find more information about the tag they were looking for. Nothing makes me more happier than when I get the comments saying thank you for your help, because I know that even such simple good deeds can make a difference in our world for the better. So thank you very much for watching my video on how much my small tech channel with 1,000 subscribers makes in a month. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful and informative to many other viewers. And if you're new to my channel, please check out the rest of my videos, subscribe if you'd like to be a part of this channel, and help to reach others who might find my channel helpful. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content.